In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to GoDaddy domain. We'll do this by starting in your Webflow account, heading into the marketplace, and then using the official Zapier app to bridge Webflow with GoDaddy's tools. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Webflow and that you can access your site. You'll also want a Zapier account and access to your GoDaddy CRM, since we'll connect those together. Start by opening your Webflow dashboard and going to your Sites area so you can see the projects you manage. From there, look for the Marketplace link in the dashboard navigation. The Marketplace is where Webflow lists add-ons and integrations that extend what your site can do. Once you're in the Marketplace, switch to the Apps section. You'll see a search bar at the top. That's the highlight you'll use to find what you need quickly. Type your query into that search field to locate the Zapier integration, then select the Zapier app from the results. On the Zapier app page, click Install App. If you're prompted to choose a workspace or site, be sure to select the correct one so the app connects in the right place. After installation, you'll see an option that says Connect Webflow to 8,000 plus apps. Click that to open Zapier with Webflow ready to pair. In Zapier, start a new workflow, often called a Zap, using the prominent button or link you'll see highlighted on the screen. When you're setting up the Zap, you'll be asked to choose an app for the next step. Click into the app field and use the search box, again, the highlighted input, to type your target app. Type GoDaddy CRM, and then select GoDaddy CRM from the list. Next, choose the event you want Zapier to perform. For this walkthrough, pick Creates a New Customer Record. This means when your Zap runs, it will add a new customer in GoDaddy CRM based on the data you send from Webflow. Now click Connect GoDaddy CRM. Zapier will prompt you to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts, click the highlighted confirmation button, and complete the authorization so Zapier can talk to your GoDaddy CRM securely. If Zapier offers to pull in sample data or preview fields, that's helpful for mapping the information later. That's it. You've moved from Webflow's dashboard, through the Marketplace and apps, installed the Zapier app, and set up a Zap that connects Webflow to GoDaddy CRM with the action to create a new customer record. Keep your credentials secure, double-check you selected the correct site and workspace, and you'll be ready to